Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add your Twitch account to your Discord server so that your members of the server will get notified when you're going live, for example, or when anything else is happening on your Twitch account. Now, it's a very easy process, so first open up the Discord application. Now make sure to sign into your official account and head down to the server where you would like to add the Twitch application. Now here simply head down to add your first app or directly to the app directory. Here check it out and go and open up StreamCourt. Now StreamCourt, as you can see right here, is an application that allows you a load of stuff such as stream notifications, automatic streaming rules to give to your moderators, and an easy to use dashboard. As you can see right here, we simply add this application to go to the website. Now this opens up the website, and here we need to select a server where we want to add the StreamCourt application. So simply press continue, authorize the application to all the roles, check that you're a human, and here as you can see it has been added to your Discord server. Now from here you can choose a lot of stuff. Simply agree the terms of service, and here as you can see there's a load of stuff to choose from. Here add the streamer notifications, set up the live role, and join the StreamCourt support server, and here's a lot of stuff to choose from. Now, if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.